Oh my goodness. I have an announcement to make, and I have to put on my very excited facilitator hat to make the announcement. But it's an intense and serious and compelling enough announcement that I'm doing something I've never done before on camera. Wearing a backwards hat. Do you feel the gravity of what I'm about to share with you? On February 24th, and there's details below, I am hosting for the first time ever a live unboxing and demo of my absolute favorite and newest tool. It was privately released only to people who attended the Connectors Summit last year. This tool, for me, is like an edit button to the future for your groups, for the meetings and sessions and workshops and gatherings that you are a part of or host. And on February 24th, I'm going to host a really epically mind-blowing fun unboxing and also kind of a demo of how it's being used, how people are loving it. And in that session, I'm going to announce some super cool details around this concept I've been thinking really deeply about lately, the idea of future-proof facilitation. Right? We're in a world that is changing so intensely fast right now. And so if you're on this list and you're interested in how people gather and how we learn and how we can meet better, I think you should be highly interested because of how quickly the world is changing in this idea of future-proof facilitation. And so I'll be unpacking and revealing this. There's details to sign up below. Do not miss it. Like anytime I gather a group of people, I respect your time so incredibly much. And so it's my full maximum intention to make sure that that time is so unbelievably well spent. See you there. How do I end the button? And I should be good at this by now. Oh, this was the main reason I couldn't find the end button today. See you on February 24th. Cannot wait.